Welcome to another exciting episode of Python Explained. Today, we'll dive into the wonderful world of functions and explore how to import modules, as well as how to gracefully end a program early using the sys.exit function. Let's get started. First, let's talk about functions. Functions are blocks of organized, reusable code that perform a specific task. Here's a simple function named greet that takes a name as an argument and prints a greeting message. Python def greet name, print hello, plus name plus. To use this function, we simply call it and pass a name as an argument. Python greet Alice, and just like that, the function executes and prints our greeting. Now, let's talk about importing modules. Modules in Python are simply Python files that contain functions and variables. Here's an example where we import the math module, which provides access to mathematical functions. Python import math print math. sqrt25 output 5.0. By importing the math module, we gain access to its functions, such as sqrt for calculating the square root. Finally, let's discuss ending a program early using the sys.exit function. Sometimes, we might need to abruptly terminate a program. We can achieve this using the sys.exit function from the sys module. Python import sys answer equals input. Do you want to quit? Yes/no. If answer lower equals yes, sys exit else, print continuing program. Here, if the user inputs yes, the program will exit gracefully with sys exit. Otherwise, it continues execution. And there you have it. We've covered the basics of functions, importing modules, and ending a program early in Python. Stay tuned for more Python Explained episodes, and happy coding!